Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie an adjustable knot. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this easy breezy video. That's right, I just said that easy breezy video. So as you can see right here, this is the adjustable knot that I'm going to show you how to tie. You can make it smaller like that or larger like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start off by untying this, and it's a really easy knot to learn how to tie. Honestly, once you've practiced it like once or twice, you're probably going to have it memorized. It's that easy. So basically we're going to take our rope like this, and you can obviously use a bigger rope or a smaller rope, and we're going to just create a loop like this. Now you have two ends. You have your free end and you have your fixed end, okay? So basically we're going to take our free end, we're going to place it over the fixed end just like that. Now we're going to lift this up, and right here we have a little intersection. We're going to take the free end, I'm going to give it a little bit more slack, okay? We're going to take the free end, we're going to loop it around just this individual strand right here, just like that, okay? And then we're going to loop it around that individual strand one more time, like that. So we've now looped it around just the individual strand twice. That's what it looks like. Then we're going to loop it around both strands. So I'm going to bring it under here, go around both strands, like that, okay? Both strands of the loop, and then I'm going to bring it back down, and essentially we just need to take this free end and we're going to bring it up through the little loop that we just created over here, through this loop right here, okay? And then we're going to tighten it down. So just tighten it down just like this, okay? And bring all of the pieces together, tighten it down like that, and what we've created is an adjustable knot. That's the word I'm looking for. We can make it tighter, just like that, or we can make it looser, just like that. Now this is a little bit tight, but it's all good. So I'll show you one more time really quickly how to do it, just because I know that might have been a little bit confusing. I'll do it a little bit faster, but more in line, right? Because there's a lot of jumps over there, but I'll do it a little bit faster this time. So just give me a moment. Let's undo this knot over here. That's the beauty of this knot also, is that it is adjustable, but you can also easily tie it and easily untie it, okay? So we're starting fresh once again. Let me just lay out the rope, okay? We're gonna just loop it like this, free end and fixed end. Okay, the free end goes over the fixed end like that. You have an intersection here. We're going to lift up the intersection. We're going to loop this free end around just this individual strand right here, just like that. And we're going to loop it one more time around it. Okay, then we're going to go around both of these strands of the loop like that. Okay, and then we're going to just bring it up through the loop and then through that little we'll call it a bridge that we just created, just like that. When you go through that bridge, then you can tighten everything down. So just pull all of the strands together, just basically hold on to the loop and then pull both of these ends just like that. And then essentially you've created your adjustable knot, just like that. Make it bigger or smaller, and that's it. If you like this video tutorial, because it's absolutely awesome, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.